Today, Maris is learning how to make pizza dough. So she added 2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of yeast so far. Next, she adds some salt, about a quarter tablespoon. So next, you're going to mix it. Oh, Maris. Next, we're going to need a little syrup in that mixing cup, and then you're going to have to fill it with warm water. Okay, good. That's a lot of sugar, but we'll see how it goes. You just need like a teaspoon. Now you got to add some hot water from that.
Which way is hot?
That's the way it is right now. You just got to pull it towards you, but don't put it on full because it's going to splash everywhere. You need to have
it's already hot.
Yeah. So you need to fill it up to the 1 cup line. So when it gets a little further, 1, 2, 3, stop. Okay, that's going to be good. So you're going to take that and you're going to add it to your bowl. We're going to add a little oil too, just because. Put it all in. Put it all in. Go, 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 go. This is a quick thing. You got to mix. Here, take this. You gotta use this. It doesn't work. You need a fork. This is like a dough mixer. So you're going to circle that until it turns into something that looks like that. Keep going. Keep going. So the Italians, they use their hands. So this is what we're doing. You just got to keep mixing it together until it's all one sticky mess. Okay, keep going. Okay, yeah, mix that up. Make it real. Yeah. You're doing a good job.
It's sticky already.
Okay, good. Okay, so how's the dough going? We've put her dough into here. She's eating the little pieces off her fingers. She especially likes the little salt pieces that she... Okay, so it's 5 hours later, and Maris is making her pizza. Look at that dough. Came out really good. We have an audience. Jet, leave it. That's garlic. Leave it. We'll see what it turns out like. Okay, so this is Maris's pizza. What's going on here? It's really hot in here. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, shit. I dropped it because I was trying to videotape. Oh, this is bad. Ooh. Maris's pizza did not survive very well. This is what happens when you overshoot when you start drinking.
Don't drink in pizza.
Don't drink in pizza. Whatever.